Hello, I'm Anna Marie Saarinen, the co-founder of Bloom Standard. We're developing the world's first self-driving ultrasound, a wearable device that helps to earlier identify babies and children with serious heart and lung conditions, including COVID-19. This is my daughter Eve. She looked perfectly healthy when she was born, but was diagnosed with critical heart defects at 3 days old. She had become one of the 1% of all babies born around the world each year with congenital heart disease, the most common and deadly birth defect. Heart defects, along with pediatric pneumonia, are ranked among the top killers of babies and children under 5, accounting for 25% of all infant mortality. Ultrasound has emerged as the gold standard for screening and diagnostics, yet 95% of the world's children do not have access. Bloom Standard is shrinking the size and cost of equipment, replacing large bedside units and laptop transducers with a simple wearable device, one that essentially self-drives. Compared to traditional ultrasound probes, Bloom's technology only requires enough skill to appropriately place it on the patient and press go. Our device captures every relevant angle with proprietary AI algorithms to determine what is normal versus abnormal, aiding frontline health workers in quickly determining next steps. We've been down this road before, working directly with ministries of health and leaders of more than 210 hospitals, raising over $3.5 million to successfully implement non-invasive screening test equal to the hospital cost of a diaper change. Thanks to our foundation's work, more than 55 million babies have been screened in over a dozen countries, and the Born Project highlighted at the UN General Assembly as an innovation addressing the SDGs. In essence, this work provided a ready-made and urgent market for ultrasound imaging. Despite the pandemic, we were accepted into the prestigious Hong Kong Science Park's IncuBio program. We've continued our imaging validation trials, and were recognized among Fast Company's world-changing ideas. And we were selected by the FDA and Children's National for its COVID-19 Pediatric Device Challenge. The pediatric ultrasound and echo market was surging even before COVID-19. Facilities and governments were increasing their investments in diagnostics with an emphasis on lower cost, portable imaging. We estimate that being able to achieve $100 million in product sales in our first 3 years within our target markets is completely doable. Bloom Standard is fortunate to have built an internal team of veterans successful in product development and medical device commercialization, global health, and biomedical engineering. Together with our world-class advisory board and experts in the medical device industry, market access, and regulatory, we're poised to grow. We are seeking 500,000, which will help us accelerate into our trials phase. Thank you for helping us get there, and to our partners who've helped us this far.